I'm so happy. First time riding a horse in over a year. And we're here at a farm in Kayaköy, right outside of where we live in Fethiye. It's a really nice big farm. I don't know how many horses they have, I'll find out. But we're just warming up, everybody's practicing, getting comfortable with their horses, and then we'll go off on a trail ride.
Do you want to show us some tricks running around? That's scary, yo. I thought you were gonna run over me.
That was the trick.
İsmi kızım Aslı.
The name is Kızım Aslı.
It's so kızı.
Like my daughter Aslı. And the other name is Nefes.
Super. Yes.
Come on, dudes, you know how to do this.
You always look front. Beautiful day. Yay. I love it.
Our trail ride is turning out to be more of a walk down a road, but it's still nice to be riding again. But I was definitely under the impression that we were going to be riding the horses on trails through the mountains. But that's okay. Happy to be here with our friends riding. It's Charlotte's first time on a horse. Didi's acting like this is the first time he's ever rode. I don't know why. And Turk is a natural, but hasn't been on a horse since he was 7. So we're just following our leader down this kind of busy road. Now we're gonna take a ride through the cemetery. Apparently this is some kind of historical path.
Okay.
So what do you think about the farm over here?
I'm really impressed. I wasn't expecting it to be this big or this well kept. So we had a nice day riding horses at Kayaköy, and we are back home now enjoying some chai with our new samovar that Turk and Charlotte got us as a housewarming present. And we have Kev here joining us for the evening. And he brought us our Christmas present and wants us to open it. So we're going to follow Kev's wishes.
Because your friends from Germany have come and maybe you want to cook something special. So when you open it, you'll realise the importance of it.
Okay.
Now all after that.
How is this up on us now?
Something on the top, but yeah, okay, we can live with it.
Did I do it wrong?
Keep going. I bought it more than 2 weeks ago, but
Thank you! This makes me so happy.
yeah.
So I mentioned to Kev I wanted maple syrup the other day, and he made it happen.
Everything is possible in Turkey.
We have a little friendly rivalry going on here.
It's not fun. Pink is mine. But don't worry, I have one of your blues.
Pay me rent.
Can you give me, how much is your rent? 16.
My rent is 16. Where are you off to?
Get some Turkish tea.
Our
How much
board
the
is
rental
very
fee?
occupied. Who is leading the pack in
Alpar.
terms of properties?
Alpar, look at his property. Look at his portfolio. Especially the card that's facing down. That's like,
Oh, his most
if you
valuable.
want auction, I'll be in the market too.
Man, it's so much better in winter. Summer is so crazy here. Not really, it's always pretty calm. Yeah. Did you think you would be swimming on Christmas Eve in Turkey?
I'm very glad I visited you guys. You know, it's really fun. Temperature is really nice. Perfect sunny day.